Hey guys, I'm so excited for today's video because we're going to be unboxing the Face and Body Asos calendar. So, I feel like you can't really see it in the camera, but it's here. So this is how it looks on the inside. Then we've got a little drawer down here that pulls out to reveal even more doors. So, let's get started. We will go through pricing and everything at the end. Okay. Day number 1. Ooh, starting off strong. We have the iconic London illuminator. This is the tiniest little thing in the world, but I just think that is so cute. So I reckon this is like, you know, highlighter drops or whatever. So exciting, very cute. We have day number 2. This one's heavy. This one's so weird, it doesn't have like a thing to open it, like you have to actually rip it. Am I missing something? Random. Okay, what is this? So this is Korean skin therapy. I'm not going to be able to say the name. It's Airborean. I'm saying that wrong. But anyway, it's skin therapy. It says 17 super ingredients. It's a multi-perfecting night oil. So that's what it looks like there. Let's open it up and have a look at the actual packaging. Oh, is that not the cutest little bottle you've ever seen? I've heard like Korean brand stuff is meant to be like really, really good. Yeah, how cute is that? So that was day number 2. Day 3 is this big one here. Oh, very heavy. Guys, this is so weird. Like this box, I didn't have to rip anything. Like it was just like I could open it like that. But these ones like stuck together where you've got to actually rip them open. So random. I've got a big tub of something in here. What is it? What are you? This is the ritual of, I cannot say that word, rejuvenating body scrub. It says Punjab pink salt and sweet almond. Very cute. Oh, it's from Rituals. Okay, I've never tried anything from Rituals. I'm very excited. So that's the packaging there. Mind you, I feel like this just looks so luxe and so nice. Let's have a sniff. Oh, it's got like a safety seal. I can't really smell anything through the safety seal, that's okay. I don't like to like open stuff if it's got like a safety seal because it could be mine before I end up actually using it. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, so that was day number 3. I feel like we've got some good stuff already, like only a couple of days in, but I'm already pretty happy. Day number 4 feels very light. See this one, like that one opens fine. This is the Melon plus Goates. I'm gonna butcher everything in this video, I'm really sorry. But this is the lip moisturizer hydrating treatment. Very cute. When I first opened this, I thought it was like Duo Lush Glue. Because like, okay, they don't look super similar, but the colours, you know. So that was day 4. Okay, day number 5 is next. We have an Invisibubble. This is a scrunchie. So yeah, just a little scrunchie. Wouldn't be an advent calendar without, you know, some type of hair accessory. So that was day 5. Day 6 is this long one, and it's quite heavy actually. What are you? Oh, okay. This is a. It's nice to see some full sizes as well as that ritual cream. I don't know if that was full size, but it was big. This is the. I'm gonna butcher this. Caudalie Paris. Anyway, this is the purifying gel cleanser, and this feels really nice. Like this is a very big, like full size product. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I always love a good cleanser, so very excited with that. Day 7. I keep telling you there's nothing in here, and there isn't. Okay. They sent me a literal empty box. Asos girl. Okay. Okay. Random. Anyway, day 8. Another heavy one. You can't just give me good products and then not give me a day. Like, I'm still gonna notice. Ooh, what's this? This is a candle. This is the Neon London Bedtime Hero candle. That smells so good. I'm actually really happy with that. This has chamomile, ylang ylang, and cedarwood. I'm obsessed. That's actually so nice. Smells really, really good. I'm really confused about that day 7. I'm pretty sure that it tells us everything that's meant to be in here, so we can see later what's missing, but that's disappointing. Okay, day number 9 is this one here. What do we have here? Ooh, something from Sunday Riley. This is the Good Genes glycolic acid treatment. Very cool. I don't know what you really do with that, but very cute little glycolic acid treatment. Day 10, I think. Yep, day 10 is here. Cute. We have a little e.l.f. Cosmetics brush. I'm so confused. Oh, okay. It said blush on it, and I was like, oh. I thought they'd misspelt it, but it's because it's a blush brush. Anyway, very cute. It's nice to see a good brush. I feel like they're always handy, and you can never have enough of them. So, always good to have one of those in a calendar. Day 11 is next. Cute. Okay, this is a Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, and I got a mini one of these in the Pretty Little Thing calendar that I unboxed, but that one was a cleanser, so now I have a moisturizer as well to try out, which I'm really excited for. This is normal to dry, sensitive skin. Day 12. This is a Philip Kingsley elasticizer. Adds elasticity and bounce. Deep conditioning treatment. Okay, it's for your hair. Okay, it says, before shampooing thoroughly wet hair, apply in sections, work into hair with fingertips, cover with shower cap and leave for 10 to 20 minutes. The longer the better. Rinse well. Very cute. So we've got a little deep conditioning treatment. Very nice. Day 13. This is the Dr. Barbara Sturm face cream. That's all it says, face cream. So it could be anything. It could be make your face hideously ugly cream. Like, we don't know. But anyway, it's just, yeah, it just says face cream made in Germany. That's all you need to know. It's cute. Okay, day 14. Ooh, something from Revolution. This is the Glaze Lip Oil in Glam Pink. Cute. And it's cherry scented, so Mama is not gonna want none of that, because I do not like cherry scented things, but it is very cute, and I'm a little bit sad because that looks like a really nice little lip oil. That is fine. I will pass that along to somebody else. Okay, last one for this little level section. We have day 15. Ooh, we have something from Ren Skincare. This is the Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Very cute. Looks like that. Open it. Oh, cute. Is it just not the cutest little jar you've ever seen? It's weird though, because like once it's out of the outer packaging, it doesn't say what brand it is. But anyway, I've just got this little pot of brightening eye cream, which I love. Very cute. Alright, let's move on to the second bit. So far though, so good. I'm pretty impressed, apart from that one day where I don't know what happened there, but okay, we're on to day 16, I think. Did we just open day 15? I don't know what day we're on to. Oh, yeah, we must be day 16. Okay. Let's do it. It's from Archive. Never heard of it before, but this bottle is really, really cute. So this says the Good Habit Hybrid Oil. Okay, it's for your hair, I think. Holy Grail combination of baobab and jojoba oils to give ultra light moisture and shine to the head. To the hair, sorry. Nourishing your whole head. Smells like future bloom. Okay, cute. What does it say? Apply to freshly washed and conditioned hair that is still damp. Work from root to tip and comb through for an even distribution. Cute. Okay. How cute is this little bottle though? Like, I feel like that is the cutest thing in the world. I want to smell it. Okay, that does smell pretty nice. It's very floral. Love that. Alright, that was day 16. Very cute. Day 17 is next. This one here. Cute! We have something from The Ordinary. That's very exciting. So this is... I think it's a hydrate? What are you? Just says natural moisturizing factors plus HA, surface hydration formula. So I'm guessing it's... Yeah, it's a little moisturizer, hydrator little thing. Very cute. Never tried The Ordinary, but I've heard really, really good things. So excited to try that out. Okay, moving on to day 18. Cute. I got one of these in the Pretty Little Thing calendar as well. It is one of the It Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Oh, sorry, this works. So yeah, I'm excited to try that, and if I like it, I've got the one in the Pretty Little Thing advent calendar was like this big, so it's exciting that I've got like a full size one. Or I don't know if this is full size, but like a bigger one. So yeah, cute, exciting. Day 19 is this one here. And we have, oh yay, I'm so excited. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I've heard such good things about this. So this is intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Very exciting. So excited for that because yeah, I've just heard great things, but I've never tried First Aid Beauty. But I've been wanting to for such a long time. Day 20 is next. It's this one here. This is the Grown Alchemist hand cream in vanilla and orange peel. Cute, that tastes nice. So yeah, Grown Alchemist. That is a big hand cream. I'm so bad at using hand creams that I would never ever go through that tube. I want to smell it, but then I have to like do the little poppy thing and I don't want to. But yeah, I feel like that would be really nice. I just don't think that I would ever use it up in my existence. So it is very cute though. Okay, we are nearing the end and I'm getting sad. 21 is next. Ooh, something from Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Day Cream. Very cool. I've heard that Elemis is a really good brand, but it's really expensive, so that's exciting. Day 22, we've got a long one. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. I saw Fix Plus and I was like, surely that's a MAC thing. And then I turned, I was like, yeah, it is MAC. Cute. This is the Fix Plus Stay Over alcohol-free long-lasting setting spray. Yay. I do love the Fix Plus setting spray. So it's very exciting. Yeah, I've never heard this on the alcohol-free one. Doesn't have a scent. But yeah, that's cool. Could use a bit of rehydration. Very nice. I'm really excited. That was a really cool one. Alright, day 23. What are you? Ah! This is so exciting! We have a Sol de Janeiro Brazilian bum cream, and I love this so much. Whoops. Why is it? So good. I want to open it, but I can't. I'm definitely going to keep this one, but I have so many moisturizers open at the moment that yeah, I cannot open him just yet. I think I've gone through one of these before because I've definitely bought it before, but I don't think I have it anymore, so I must have used it up. So yeah, that's really exciting to see. Oh, okay, I'm going to have to take the thing off because it won't go back on. Oh, Sol de Janeiro, come on, mate. Oh my god, I always know it smells good, but every time I smell it, I'm still just shocked because I'm like, oh, like you always forget just how good it is. Anyway, that was really exciting. Really love to see it. Love a bit of a Sol de Janeiro. Okay, we're on to our two last days. We have day 24. Oh, come on. Come on, Asos, we've had a good run. Now you're doing this. This is from Psychic Sisters. It's one of those little thingies. I got one of these in the Pretty Little Thing calendar as well, but it was literally the exact same except it had Revolution on it. So that was day 24. And last but not least, well, hopefully not least, have a 25. Oh! Okay, that is a very good day to end on. My very first Charlotte Tilbury product. This is the Pillow Talk Dreams palette. How exciting! Yeah, it looks very luxury. I love that. That's so exciting. Cute. It's literally the world's most basic palette, but because it's Charlotte Tilbury, it probably cost like your kidney. But no, that is really nice. It's really exciting to see some really cool brands in here. So let me go do a little debrief, figure out what was in day number 7, and I will get back to you. Okay, so I had a little bit of trouble because it's not on the Asos website anymore because it's sold out, so I can't actually go through the products and see what was missing. But I'm looking at this little picture thing because I found one online, and it looks like we're missing just this little, like, I think it's a hair repair cream or something like that. So I mean, I'm not too mad about it. I would have been upset if I was missing like the Bum Bum cream or the First Aid Beauty thing or whatever. I mean, it's still obviously a little bit annoying because you don't want to be missing stuff, but I'm also like not too mad about it. So I've paid $189 for this, and it says, it doesn't tell me a value, but it says it's a 77% saving. So yeah, I'm really not mad about that at all. So yeah, I feel like this calendar was actually really good. I actually really enjoyed it. There's some things in here that I'm really excited about. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!